when is a repair a temporary repair? When it doesn't work. So when it's a temporary repair, a permanent repair? When it does work. So I've got a puncture right here. Blimey, that's been a bit of a prick, isn't it? Never mind. But what we're going to do is we're going to repair it. But my repair scheme here, legal, not, I don't care. I'm just showing you for interest. But it does work. Is it the correct way to do it? It's not the correct way to do it. But like I said, it works. So, first things first, you need to make sure when you do this, you're near an air source. Here I have my air source. That means as soon as I pull the nail out, the air's going to run out and I'm going to need to reinflate it. But what we need is a latex glove and a screw. Now you can use the screw that's already in it if it's still got a head on it. If it hasn't got a head on it, use a different screw. So here we go. That's what we're going to do. We're going to get this latex glove and we're going to wrap it around the screw like so. We're going to wrap it round against the thread. So if the thread goes, basically you start to wrap it round anti-clockwise against the thread, okay? You can do it quite tight as well, okay? And then you're going to need to gob on it. Need to reach the saliva, okay? Now while I'm doing that in my mouth, I'm going to start pulling this out. Now it needs to be a self-tapping screw, not a bolt, because it needs to cut into the... Oh, there we go. So now it will start losing air pronto. It means I need to put my thing in the hole pronto. Obviously, because we know where the puncture is, because you haven't taken the thing out, you know where the hole is. Now, I'm just going to put a bit more gob on it, just to make it slide in better. There we go. Where's the fucking hole? I've lost the hole now. Said the access to the bishop. There we go. Don't worry, I've lost quite a lot of air. But like I said, that's why you need to be next to an air source. You need to have the air pump, the tyre pumped up as best you can. Reason is, when the tyre is not pumped up, the tyre isn't stretched to its full capacity, so to speak. So now I've got that there, right? Okay, screws there. I'm not holding this desperately well because my fingers are shit. But I've just got it on there. Now I can put the pressure on. So now I've got the screw on with the screwdriver. You can hear that the air is stopping. So now I'll start screwing this. Oh, fuck. Oh, yeah, put the handbrake on. I'm going to have to put my knee under the wheel. Luckily, I'm on a flat surface. This car's not going to go anywhere. Now, you start to hear it stop hissing now. I'm basically driving this screw into the tyre. I've lost the bloody head of the screw now. I have to play through the actual rubber itself because I can't find the head of the screw now. Got to get it all the way and you've got to get it right flush. Now, especially when you've got a screw that's... Just start peeling this off soon. Start peeling this back. You've got a screw. Just start wrapping this back round now. Because as long as some of this has gone into the thread, it doesn't matter how much excess hangs out. And you've got to cut the excess off. You do that afterwards. So we're forcing this in at the moment. I'm going to start peeling that off now. There we go, let's go through this. It's working. You just keep going until this has gone right inside the tyre. Obviously the excess will stick out. That's fine. Oh, probably put a bit too much glove on that. Let's peel that off. Now, okay, this is coming from the airline, not from my tyre. That's fine. Okay, so we get this right inside the tyre. We get this. This has got to go right down flush, otherwise it won't work. If it doesn't go down flush, it'll start hitting itself, then it'll start coming loose and start making leaks. So start peeling this excess off until this screw goes right down. There we go. It's getting easier now. There's less material there. There we go. Get it right down inside. Sid the actress to the bishop. Bang me, baby. Screw me, baby. Right. Now, I have put a lot of latex on that, so it's not going to go down too well, but it's gone down pretty good. it's not leaking. Happy days. That's it. There we go. That is down as pretty flush as it's going to get. I can now cut the excess off. Right, happy days. Now let's pump it up and see what happens. So 44 psi on this tyre, so let's chuck it in. It's gone down to 30. There we go. Let's just check it's not going down. It's holding nicely and it's not leaking. Happy days.